Subscribe to Boostup Station if you haven't. And today we are going to give you website upforever.org, which is used to earn money online by uploading files. And I'll be sharing you the payment proof. So this is the registration link. Open up it into the browser. And in here, you just have to enter the username, the password, retype it, email, and if you want to enter the payment information, you can. Otherwise, you can just add it afterwards. Click on I'm not a robot. Successfully verified. Click on sign up. Don't save. Make sure you use this link only. Now you have successfully registered. Let me just walk you through the features of it. The minimum withdrawal amount is just $1. So for per 1000 downloads, it is giving a minimum of $3 for the tier 4 countries. For other tier, it is $4 to $7. So we can say that for around 300 to 350 downloads, you will be getting a single dollar, and you can just withdraw after 300 downloads. If you are going for the PayPal as the payment method for the withdrawal, you just have to enter the registered PayPal email address. I'll be showing you how to do that. And for these payment methods, the minimum withdrawal amount are these, and for PayPal and others, it's just $1. Okay, and you have got 120 gigabytes of free space. And if you click on payment information, here you can see that if you click on PayPal, you just have to enter the registered PayPal email address which you have used to register on PayPal. So enter that email address right here. Now after entering the email address, just scroll down and click on save settings. Now you can see settings have been saved successfully. Click on close. Now if you go on payment information, you can see that your payment information is listed right here. Let's upload some files. Click on upload files from here. Click on choose file and open up any file from here and click on start upload. Okay. You can also password protect your files for the download. Click on show advanced, and here you can enter the link password so that whenever a user wants to download this file, the user has to enter this link password, otherwise it won't be downloaded. And you can also choose upload folder if you have created any, and click on start upload. Now the file has been successfully uploaded. You can click on this file here, and you can also get a short link for this particular file. Rather than sharing this big link, you can use this link, and you won't be able to get this link afterwards. So you just have to copy right here itself. Okay, right click, copy and save it somewhere safe. Open the link in the new tab. Here we are, and here the file is, and the minimum size of file is 0 bytes. So you can even upload a file with 2-3 words only. Now click on free download from here. Now you have to wait for 30 seconds. Until that, just click on I'm not a robot. It is verified. Until this finish, let me show you the payment proof. Now here I am in my PayPal account, and I put a withdraw request of $1.64 on around 18th of November, and I received the payment on 25th of November 2020. So it took around 7 days to receive the payment. Okay, and the fee was as charged by PayPal, and I got 1.20 USD in my account. So it may take around 7 to 10 days to receive the payment. So don't worry and wait for the payment. Now the timer has finished. Let's click on create download link. Now it is preparing the download link, and it is done. Now just click here to download. Close this tab, the new one, and you can see that we have the file to save. Click on OK to save the file, and the file has been successfully downloaded. Let's go to Up Forever again and click on this welcome and click on my account. Now if you click on my files from the left menu, you can see that the number of downloads for this file is 1. So the download has been updated. Go to my account again. Now one thing you can see is my published files link. So if we click on this here, you can see that the file is listed here, but we don't want any user to know the files registered with this username. So for that, what we have to do is go to the My Files, and you can see this public. Just untick this option from here, okay? And if you go to the My Account again and go to this My Published Files link, you can see that no files are listed here. So while uploading the files also, when you choose some file from here, you can see this public tick marked here. You just have to untick this option to make sure that no one sees your file from your username, okay? Refresh it and you can see that no files are there. So please subscribe to Bootstrap Station, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.